Very few ladies want orders barked at them during intimate moments, but women also don't have all of the equipment men have, and they may have no idea what they're supposed to be doing when they're spending time down there. Learning about a few penis hot spots could help men gently direct their partners, and these tips could make a romantic interlude more erotic for everyone involved. Once playtime is over and both parties are satisfied, following a few penis care steps could help men clean up and heal up, so they're ready for action when their partners are ready to go exploring once more. Covering the basics. Most men know that the head of the penis is a bundle of nerves, all waiting to spring into action. The stiff little ring of skin just beneath the head of the penis, known as the corona, is also intensely sensitive, and it becomes more and more prominent when it's given the right kind of attention. Asking a partner to lightly touch this area is an excellent way to start the party. The underside of the penis, just below the head, contains a tiny line of intensely responsive skin known as the frenulum. Men may have stumbled across this pleasure point during their own masturbation sessions, but the touch an outsider can bring is a bit unexpected, and it might be more pleasurable as a result. Time for innovation. Adding a little spice to the agenda is easy when men know just what to ask for. These spots might not be intuitive for women to find, but thankfully, no flow charts or anatomical diagrams are needed. A few quick descriptions and perhaps subtle pointing could be all the directions a partner needs. The tiny spot of skin located between the testicles and the anus is intensely reactive, and it may swell up when a guy is ready for action. Placing firm pressure on this area with a thumb or a knuckle is likely to bring intense pleasure, and applying pressure here can also stimulate the prostate. This walnut-sized gland is responsible for semen production, but it also contains little bundles of nerves that are happy to be awakened. Providing praise. Women might use very different techniques in their own masturbation sessions, and again, they can't experiment on their own penile tissue for obvious reasons. Men can help their partners to succeed by making noises of pleasure when things are going well, watching the action, and smiling or showing a look of appreciation. Using directive words like faster or softer, rather than discouraging words like wrong. Returning the favor. Learning to explore one another is part of the fun of an intimate relationship, and partners who approach one another with praise, support and love are likely to handle experiments with ease. Preparing for future fun. Women are more likely to enjoy their interactions with a penis if it's clean, smooth and free of odors. Washing up with a mild soap and a thorough rinse after sex can help, as men won't be harboring secretions on their skin while they sleep. A penis health creme, most experts recommend Man 1 Man Oil, can also be beneficial, as these ointments contain softening agents that can smooth and soothe skin that could be cracked and abraded during sex. Health creams may also contain vitamin A, which can help to eliminate penile odors caused by bacteria. As an added bonus, skin that's treated with softening emollients and enriching vitamins might be just a little more sensitive and a bit more responsive. With regular use, men might develop a penis that's fun to interact with and able to demonstrate pleasure in a whole new way.